Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Warriorplus is an online platform primarily focused on digital product launches, affiliate marketing, and connecting product creators with affiliate marketers. To make money on Warriorplus, start by signing up as an affiliate marketer or a product creator. If you're an affiliate marketer, explore the marketplace to find products that resonate with your audience or align with your niche. Look for high-quality products that offer value and have good sales potential. Once you've chosen products to promote, create engaging promotional content, craft persuasive reviews, blog posts, videos, or social media content that highlights the benefits and features of the products. Use compelling messaging to entice your audience and encourage them to click on your affiliate links. Utilize multiple marketing channels to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Implement strategies like content marketing, email marketing, social media advertising, or SEO to reach your target audience effectively. Tailor your approach to the preferences and behavior of your audience. Continuously analyze your campaign performance using Warriorplus's tracking tools. Monitor metrics such as clicks, conversions, and earnings generated from your affiliate links. Use this data to optimize your campaigns, identify top-performing products, and refine your promotional strategies to maximize your earnings potential. For product creators, leverage Warriorplus to launch and sell digital products. Develop high-quality products that cater to market demands or solve specific problems. Create compelling sales pages, offer competitive commissions to affiliates, and utilize the platform's network of affiliate marketers to promote your products and drive sales. Success on Warriorplus as an affiliate marketer or product creator involves understanding your audience, creating compelling marketing campaigns, and continuously optimizing your strategies based on performance data. Building relationships with your audience, providing value, and adapting your approach are key elements to maximize your earnings on the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.